Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're back to look at the new Discord profile decorations for people who have Discord Nitro, which were just released in the last couple of days, which are related to the Discord Birthday Bash, where they are celebrating the 8th birthday of Discord for several weeks of different prizes and events and all of that stuff. And that goes through to June 15th. And one of those things, if we go down to the bottom of their news post inside of Discord, is they have new decorations for your profile. So to access these, all you have to do is go to your user settings in the lower left-hand corner, click on that, and then go to your profiles, and then there is a new banner here once your Discord updates to show this, where you can click to change your profile decorations. And they have a few different options here. You can have some cool headphones, and they have the three houses, like balance and like, I forget what the other two are for like the different houses of like balance, harmony, and whatever, where you can have the different color schemes, whichever you like. So they've got little headphones, they've got like a digital display like you're in a spaceship, they've got an animated space helmet, which is kind of neat, and you can also just have a bunch of steam. I don't know if what this is supposed to represent. It kind of just looks like you're trapped in the shower. Or you can have all of the colors swirling around like a saw blade around your face. So you have some options. You've also got these little swirling gyroscopes, which are kind of neat as well. So those are the new decorations, and to access them, you just have to go down to the user settings in the lower left-hand corner, and then go up to profiles, and then in the middle here is this lovely banner to change how this works. Now, unfortunately, you do need to have Discord Nitro to use these, and they only run until June 15th, and then sometime like late on June 15th or June 16th, just like the previous batch of seasonal decorations, these will be going away and going poof, and then you'll have to wait till the next big seasonal event for the next batch of cool different profile decorations. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. This has been a brief look at how to change your avatar decorations for Discord's birthday. Hope you enjoyed, and have fun with the decorations, and bye! Don't forget to do the likey subscribe thing.